Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. Today I'll guide you through the simple steps of using Google Chrome Live Caption. Ever wish you could have instant captions for the videos you watch online? Well, with Google Chrome's Live Caption, you can make that a reality. So first, you need to open your Google Chrome browser on your computer and then go to the website or platform where you want to watch a video. As for me, I have YouTube open here on my end. So I will show you how to enable the Google Live Caption. All you have to do is to click here and then toggle the switch to enable live caption and then play the video and you will see its magic. So as you can see, we have the live caption here, and you can also move this display anywhere where you're comfortable with. You can also click this also to show more lines. And did you know that you can also use this live caption when watching live videos or your offline videos? And that's it. You now know how to use Google Chrome Live Caption to add captions to any video you watch online. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Google Chrome Live Caption. Your journey to a more inclusive online experience begins with small steps like this. As we wrap up, I need you to share this to your friends also so that they will know that Google has this feature. And until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll catch you in my next video.